Here's a list of everything you'll need. Let's get started. First step is to take a big chunk of clay. For the bowl, I'm using my cat's old water bowl. Next, we're taking a piece of paper to mark the outline of the bowl that we're using. It will help us in the next step. Do make sure that the round glass that you're using is smaller than this outline. I'm using a big chunk of clay to make what will be the base of our lid. Applying a tiny bit of pressure so the clay sits in. As you can tell by now, the idea is to make a wreath. Now that the base is done, let's make candy canes. Our wreath definitely needs a bow, so let's make one. Hi, Caramel. I'm afraid he wants his bowl back. Here's how it looks so far. This step was hands down my favorite part of this whole process. It is best to wait for at least 60 minutes. Now that everything has dried fully, let's get to painting. Removing the gloss will make it much easier to paint. Moving on to paint everything else that we made. It takes a while. And now the fun part, let's put everything together. I also painted the bottom part so it matches the wreath that we made. Last but not the least, I'm adding a thin coat of resin using Q-tips. Honestly, it turned out better than I imagined. And we're done. This is how the end results look. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.